when I tell you guys the Stinger HEIGH10 is the best radio on the market, period, I speak facts. No, really, are you ready? All right, let's go look. Stinger HEIGH10, best radio on the market, period. If you want to see this radio in action, head on over to Facebook and look up Wired Kustoms Motorsports. Head on over to YouTube, Wired Kustoms Motorsports, Instagram, and TikTok. We're out there, baby. What's up, guys? Mark here, Wired Kustoms. This 2019 F-350 is complete. Customer will be picking it up here in just a little bit. We did install the Stinger HEIGH10, which is a surface mount. Man, it just looks so nice. It has optical out. If you ever have a DSP or a amplifier that has optical, you're going to get the best quality sound that is available in today's technology.